Hi, my name is Alistair. As many of you who have been following this series will know, I've been building an Austin 7 Monoposto for competing in Bert Hadley type events. Today was a big bit of progress. The engine is installed and is now working. At an early stage it was decided we wanted this car to be competitive, and here's a list of the special features. It's basically a fairly tuned engine. We're hoping to get somewhere in the region of 45, 40, 50 brake horsepower, but it'll depend on the results we get in the rolling road. Here is the engine being input into the chassis of the Monoposto.
Hi, this is Alistair and his Monoposto build. The engine is now in. Took a few dramas to get it in, but generally speaking it's all complete now. I've just commissioned this HIF carburetor and switch the ignition on and start it.